Welcome to this tutorial on the School Asset Inventory Project template. This module is the central interface where the administrator manages all aspects of the system. The dashboard provides quick access to asset management features and generates summaries or reports. The template sets the design and structure for consistency across pages. The School Asset Inventory template is built using Admin LTE, a popular admin dashboard template. Admin LTE provides a responsive and customizable design, making it easy to manage school assets efficiently. Key features include quick access. The dashboard offers immediate access to essential asset management tools, such as asset summaries, assignments, and reporting modules. Real-time data. Stay updated with live data on the dashboard, allowing administrators to make informed decisions quickly. This user-friendly interface simplifies asset management and ensures smooth operations in tracking, assigning, and reporting school assets. Here's a description for each of the folders in our School Asset Inventory project. Build. This folder likely contains build tools or scripts used to compile and bundle assets, like CSS or JavaScript files, that are used across the project. It may include tools for optimizing and preparing resources for production deployment. Database. This folder probably holds SQL files or scripts that define the database structure, like table creation scripts, or contain sample data for initializing the database. It may also include configuration files for database connections. Dist. The dist, distribution, folder usually contains compiled or minified versions of the project's assets, like CSS, JavaScript, and images, ready for deployment in a production environment. Docs. This folder likely includes documentation for the project. It may have guidelines for developers or administrators on how to use, maintain, or extend the School Asset Inventory system. Pages. The Pages folder likely contains individual PHP or HTML files representing the different pages of the system, like dashboards, asset management pages, and reports. Plugins. This folder probably holds third-party libraries, plugins, or extensions used in the project, e.g., for data visualization, form validation, or additional functionality within the admin template. Index. PHP. This file is typically the main entry point of the web application. It serves as the front controller, routing users to the appropriate parts of the system, such as the login page, dashboard, or asset pages. In this section of the tutorial, we'll explore the folder structure inside the Pages directory of the School Asset Inventory System project. Each folder serves a specific purpose in organizing various functionalities, making it easier to manage the codebase and improve the system's scalability. By understanding the role of each directory, you'll gain insights into how different components of the project are structured, from user management and logging to asset reporting and backups. In this tutorial, we cover the foundational elements of building a school asset inventory system using the Admin LTE template. We walk through the folder structure and key files that form the backbone of the system, ensuring a clean, modular, and scalable approach to asset management. The design, focused on functionality and user experience, allows for efficient asset handling, reporting, and real-time insights through a well-organized dashboard. This section has laid the groundwork for developing a robust asset inventory system. By using Admin LTE, we provide a professional, responsive, and intuitive interface that allows for effective administration of assets and reports. The modular folder structure ensures maintainability, making the system adaptable for future expansion. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on the School Asset Inventory Project template. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next parts of this tutorial series. Your support means a lot, and we're excited to continue helping you on your project journey. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.